Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add gradient backgrounds to your website or funnel in GoHighLevel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your dashboard where you can access all your sites and funnels. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for and click on the option labeled Sites. This section houses all the websites and funnels you've created within GoHighLevel, making it easy to manage and edit them all in one place. Now, from your list of sites, locate the specific site you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on the three dots beside the site name. This will open a small menu with several options. From this menu, click Edit to open the site editor. This is where you'll be able to make all the visual and structural changes to your site. Once the editor loads, click the Edit button again if prompted. This ensures you're in the full editing mode where all design tools are accessible. Next, you'll want to click on your background element. This could be the background of a section, page, or container depending on your site's structure. Once you select it, the editing options will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll control all the visual aspects of your background, including colors, images, and gradients. In the right panel, locate and click on the color option. This is where you can adjust the background color and access gradient settings. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle button labeled Gradient. Click this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this option allows you to create smooth color transitions instead of a single flat color, which adds depth and visual interest to your background. Once Gradient is enabled, a drop-down menu labeled Type will appear. Click on this drop-down and choose the gradient type that fits your design. For example, you might select Linear, which creates a straight transition from one color to another. Other options like radial or angular are also available depending on the effect you're going for. After selecting your gradient type, it's time to choose your colors. Click on the color selector next to Start Color and pick a color that will appear at the beginning of the gradient. This is the first color users will see in the transition. Then do the same for End Color by clicking its color selector and choosing the color you want at the opposite end of the gradient. These two colors will blend together to create the gradient effect. Finally, you'll notice a slider appear on the screen. This slider allows you to adjust the gradient's direction and intensity. Drag it left or right to control how the colors blend and transition across your background. Play around with it until you achieve the look you're going for. And that's it. You've successfully added a gradient background to your website or funnel in GoHighLevel, giving it a modern and polished appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.